As you can see, your living area is again extremely spacious. So this will be your kitchen and it's comparatively little more spacious than your first bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the actual sample flat tour of Casa Grande Hola, Chennai by Casa Grande Builder Private Limited. Now the project is located in Sholinganallur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project and this behind me is your marketing office. And that is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. First is the project overview. Casa Grande Hola Chennai project is spread across an expansive 30 acres of land parcel featuring in total 13 towers and blocks rising like basement plus ground plus 9 floors with a total of about 1,818 premium homes including 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments as well as 4 BHK floor villas and villas. Next is the amenities. The project offers a blend of premium lifestyle and community amenities such as a 26,000 square feet acre dual world-class clubhouse, multiple swimming pools, fully equipped gymnasium, jogging tracks, indoor, outdoor sports courts, children's play zone areas and many more. So the next one is the location. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project which is located in Sholinganallur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And this side of the road connects you to the Sholinganallur's main road. Now the nearby connectivity, the old Mahabalipuram road is only 5 minutes from here approximately and the Sholinganallur junction is also only 8 minutes from here approximately. The Perambakam road access is also only 10 minutes drive from here approximately. Now we'll be doing the actual sample flat tour for Casa Grande Hola, Chennai for 2 BHK 2 toilets and the configuration for that is 1,175 square feet. Let's get started. As you can see, you will have first your door which is 8 feet tall and again comes with proper lock system. So you can place your fingerprint as well and you can add extra lock system to it as well. Then this will be your living area. As you can see, your living area is again extremely spacious and it is designed in such a way that you can add different 4 corners, your couches. And on this side of the area, you can also add your TV. Now, as you can notice, the walls also are like TV black panel walls. If you want, you can add a different design to that, change it however you like. And the entire flooring that has been given in the house is proper marble flooring. Now, next, right beside your living area, you will have another open space inside of your living area. So you can turn that into your living dining area, or if you want, you can turn that into your extra open second area for your living area. And then right beside this, another open space corner is also given over here. So if you want, you can add extra storage here or design it however you like. Again, as you can see, there are different wallpapers given on each side of the house and if you want, you can design it that way as well. Now, right in front of your living cum dining area, you will also have an attached balcony which will give you a direct access view in front of your locality. The balcony again is extremely spacious and as you can see, there are already been couches added here if you want. You can also design it that way or if you want, you can add extra plants in this area. Now, right very close to your living area and your dining area, you can actually get a proper view to your kitchen. So this will be your kitchen. As you can notice, the kitchen flooring has also been done very nicely, and the entire kitchen has been given proper marble flooring. Not just that, but if you notice on the other side of the kitchen, you have been given an extra storage space for your kitchen, so you can add your extra units here. You can turn it like that, and there are proper electric units also given on this side of the kitchen, so you can place your microwave here or add extra kitchen appliances. Now if you look on the other side of your kitchen, again there is a very open balcony space given over here. If you want, you can turn this open and you will have direct access view again outside. You can, if you want, you can place your laundry system on this side, and you have proper sunlight and ventilation system in your kitchen. Now there are proper modular top storages also given in your kitchen, and if you want, you can add a chimney which will come with exhaust, but because you already have proper ventilation system here, so that won't be required, depends on you. Next, if you may have noticed that very close to both of your living and your kitchen area, you again have an open space here given. Now this open space can be used for adding an extra wash basin, which can be used commonly by your guest or however you like it. And if you want, you can either place your washing machine on this side of the corner, or like I mentioned about your kitchen balcony, so it can be placed there as well. Now we will be entering into our first bedroom. So this is going to be your first bedroom, and as you may notice, your first bedroom also is again extremely spacious, given very enough amount of space so that if you want, you can also add a king size bed in this area. There are proper electric units given, and the storage area for adding your wardrobe is also given in such a way, in such a spacious place, that if you want, you can turn it into a walk-in closet system as well, depending upon you. You can add your extra wardrobes on this corner as well. And if you may notice, proper railings again have been given on this side as well, and we have a proper balcony view from here as well, which will give you direct access outside to your locality. Next, your bedroom also comes with attached washroom. Now the attached washroom has proper open shower system. Not just that, but it also has an exhaust fan which will come from your ventilation, and again your washroom has proper marble flooring as well given. The mirror also comes with a light system, so if you want, you can change the lightings or design it however you like. One more good thing about the washroom is that it has been given pest-free grading. So if you want, you can do it that way or change that design as well. Now, we will be moving forward with our next bedroom, but before that, let me quickly tell you what exactly does Housey do for you. You see, when you go to Housey's website, you will get all the information that you need about the project, like the location, amenities, and as you can see, we actually give you proper location tours of the project. Not just that, but you also get the pros and cons of the project, exclusive pricing details, EMI, down payment options, and on our website, you will also find a 360 virtual tour of the project. And if you wish to visit the place or book a free site visit, schedule it, then you can either click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can go to www.housey.com and you will find everything there. Let's enter into our second room. This is your second room, and as you can notice, the second bedroom is comparatively little more spacious than your first bedroom. So this side of the corner is also designed in such a way that if you want, you can add your study area here or your drawing area on this side of the room, and your entire closet comes on this side of the room. Now again, this is also designed in such a way, as you can see, there's a lot of space still between your closet and your bed. So if you want, you can turn this side of your room to your walk-in closet. Now each side of the room again has been given proper electric units. You can add your TV on the other side of your room as well. And on this side of the room, we also have a window system. So you will get proper amount of ventilation and sunlight. And your window system again will give you proper direct access to your locality. So if you want, you can open it, and proper railings again have been given here as well for your safety reasons. Now, your second bedroom also comes again with proper attached washroom system, and these are also done in a very American standard fittings. And as you can see, you have fixed glass partition, you will have proper racking systems, you can add that, you have lighting given for your mirror, and again marble flooring in the washroom with open shower system. So everyone, this was the actual sample flat tour for Casa Grande Hola, Chennai for 2 BHK, 2 toilets. Hope you liked the video. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.